Okay. This is for sliding glass door repair. Take one.
We're rolling.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so dented aluminum track, sliding door. We're going to cut out a section and add a little rod of, what is that, about a 1/4 inch solid rod of aluminum in place of the dented piece or something. You know, we did a little one here. It seemed to work, so we're going to try the bigger piece now. Kind of a ghetto fabulous repair. That's us. Taking the section out. Put the trusty readers on because we're old. Let's see. That looks like it's deep enough. Maybe a little deeper on this side. And hammer. Excuse me.
Chisel time.
Yeah. Actually, I think I'm gonna cut this fucker out, man. This. Removal, you know, that's pretty much the procedure. Well, then one guy started smoking, he's got all the grease right there. Nastiness. Yeah. Alright, so let's measure up our replacement piece. Very scientific methods and techniques here. Alright. I don't recommend wearing thongs.
Let me see that thong, the thong.
We're going to go to the vise. I'm going to shorten this up.
Back to you in the studio, Dick. Now back to Tito.
Taking out the schmegma. Remove all schmeg. I don't know what the scientific name for schmegma is, but I think it's the idea, right?
Scientific name is crap.
Crapola. From undercap.
Merda.
Mierda.
That's gross, dude. That's junk right there, huh?
It's all the lubrication that's been used on here. That's really not supposed to ever be
wax. It's a bunch of wax.
Is that what you guys put?
Yeah, I have all the shit I put on there, like WD-40, candle wax seem to be the best.
Yep, yep. Wow, this might be a fucking perfect measurement right here.
Holy shit. I don't think it gets much better than that, dude.
Holy shnikes, Batman.
Holy fuck.
Alright, we're gonna secure it with the fucking Space HQ bond.
Oh my gosh.
I think we should clean it though first. So it gets a good bond. Wipe it down with some paper towels or something. The mineral spirits I got.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be right back.
This is the one we replaced earlier.
Where's fucking the carpet at?
So what are you using right there, dude?
This is mineral spirits here. We're gonna clean the aluminum and get all the grease and wax and shit off here so that we have a good bonding surface.
Ah, very good. And would you mind showing the people what piece you cut off of there?
What I cut off of there was this fucked up, damaged piece of aluminum that we crushed. Folded down and, you know, good for nothing now.
Mm.
So look at all what we've been taking off here. All this grime. Nothing sticks to shit like that. You never stick tape to a dirty window. You never have because it won't ever stick.
Never.
This is mineral spirits, fast evaporation, you know. Good results. You know, all this crap off.
Once that's clean, we'll start it again. Now back to the action.
Alright, so, do we have enough? Is this dry enough? We might have to get the cloth over here to dry this off.
Here.
Towels. I got a rag right here.
Sorry.
That's alright. Come back to you in a moment. There we go, we got a nice soft cotton cloth.
So it's safe to say he's cut from a different cloth.
It is.
Yeah, I used to race horses out there on Rubidoux.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, quarter horses. My girlfriend's uncle got cracked looking. Anyways, she left with like 50 heads of horses, almost 100 head of horses.
Oh, wow,
all quarter horses, dude. And they used to race them at Los Alamitos.
Wow.
Dude, I like, that was the funnest time of my life, is doing like ranching and stuff.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Want to be a cowboy. Down, 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 down.
I was city boy. City
I
boy.
want to be a cowboy. Down, 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 down. I was born to be a cowboy. Oh,
As you can see, he's not a country western singer. He is a general purpose contractor.
I'm going to get me a screw. Oh man, you got all kinds of things in here, man. Dang on, dang on. That ain't doing it. That's for the track. You know what? That's the weight of the. There's no hole in there at all. Down there.
That's what I'm saying. It wasn't done. Yeah.
That's just for the bracket.
Right. We're gonna have to use have to use a concrete drill and drill all the way down, or like what do they call that? Those
Masonry-
guns, they
masonry-
bam.
Yeah, redhead, Hilti.
Yeah, Hilti gun.
I got one, Remington. But
I had a Remington one. Yeah.
We're gonna do.
That's for a different time and a different video.
We're gonna throw a silicone caulking down there, or like liquid nail or something. Silicone underneath the plate, just squeeze it in there, and the weight of the doors will hold it down.
Yes.
Make it stick.
Because if you ain't licking.
It ain't sticking. What's that got to do with this? I don't know, but it sounds funny.
It works.
It does. It works if you work it. Oh, now we're doing program talk. Let's stop that.
Thank you.
All right. A little more. Perfect. Beautiful. Alright, keep on time. Alright, we're going to short this thing up a little bit. You can put
So what are you using right there?
This is Q-Bond. This is a sand and baking soda compositions, I think, something like that. And you put a little, put this in the voids. It kind of.
It's almost like a liquid nails, or almost like a.
It's like a welding. It's almost like it's a plastic. It's a powder that's activated into being rock hard like steel with a cyanoacrylate glue.
So is it the same as adding fucking baking soda to fucking
Yes.
super glue?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. But it's a lot stronger. Like the glue that they give you is a lot stronger than the super glue. It's a super glue. And the powder is not just baking soda. It's got a sand aggregate with it as well to make it stronger. So it's like a concrete or something, you know. It's aggregate, not just powder. Sand. The sand does that. Make it stronger. I should probably use tape to form a little form. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Son of a bitch. Alright.
Tape shot behind you. Or do you want me to hold it for you? I can hold it.
No, it's gonna have to hold it. It has to do it by itself.
What about a little piece of wedge or something, like a block?
That's what we did on the last one, but I'm gonna use tape to hold it in place. I needed something to hold the sand in place too, so it doesn't fall out until we hit it with glue. The liquid. This is how this is gonna work. Like this. We're gonna do one side at a time.
Actually helps you see a little bit better, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. It is marvelous help. It works like that, just that fast.
That works out better than that last piece, you know that?
Yep. Practice. Alright, so now we do this side. All right. We're gonna do this a little more extensively. And
I think we'll just let it dry and then we'll come back to it and see how it is after it's done.
yep, I think it's really good.
So we're gonna let this dry, then we'll come back and see what's up. So we'll be back in about a good hour, let it dry. So this is the finished product.
A little rough, but it'll get the job done. This is an emergency repair, you know, this is for emergencies.
Yep.
As you can see, the door works perfectly.
What better than it did? So a little bit of a ramping right there. I wonder if you could shore that up a little.
Well, that's it.